Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Here's how you open cans with your new Kitchen Mama electric can opener in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Place your batteries inside the can opener. Make sure they're in the right position and that the cover snaps securely. Step 2. Place it on top of your can. Make sure the blade and gear are placed neatly between the opposite sides of the edge. Step 3. Press the button and watch the magic work. Now it's time to open up your can. Use your hands to lift off the lid. Voila! No sharp edges, just a smooth lidless experience. The Kitchen Mama electric can opener works on every can, except cans with slanted lips, like your soda cans. It comes in these adorable shades to add a much-needed pop of color to your kitchen. Yes, you can with Kitchen Mama. Pick up yours today.